Or cough? Is that how you ask for water too, baby? Uh-oh.
Rude. Well, we got it.
Why don't you share with your sister?
It's gonna be all gone by the time
She wants water.
You just think she wants
This is
water.
mine.
Go ahead, Gracie.
Go ahead, Gracie. Go, Gracie. And then she just does that.
Well, she's smelling it. It stinks.
Don't growl. Just drink. Oh, no. Do you see that? She pushed her butt. Do you see how when she gets frustrated, she
grabs
picks things
things.
up? Yeah. Hey, Gracie, she didn't do anything.
You okay, Scarlett?
But to be
I
honest,
know.
Scarlett's just doing it to also make